Here we will see the use of import function in Google Sheet. For example, we have a sheet 1 and we have a sheet 2 where there is a data and we have to get that data here. Okay, so let's uh, type the function import range. So here see spreadsheet URL. The URL is over here. This is the URL. Just copy, paste, comma. Then you have to take the sheet name. That is data. Take the sheet name, type, and exclamation. Then what is the range? A1 to C5. So type in here A1 to C5. Then here you see the reference. Here click. We will see allow access. So allow the access. So here the things we are getting over here. If I change anything over here in sheet 2, say for example 23, the same will be reflected in sheet 1, that is 23. Suppose here sheet 1 has 28, and if I change it to 32, the same will be reflected in my sheet. Okay, thank you.